What's going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV, and today we're making homemade coffee creamers. I'm a huge coffee fan. I like, to put some cream in my sugar, but sometimes when you go to the stores, the creams on the grocery shelves, if you read the back of the label, sometimes they have a lot of different things that you didn't realize, like hydrogenated oils, all type of stuff, and obviously to keep them preserved on the shelves. But today we're going to do a homemade coffee creamer, and one of my favorite, to kind of paying homage to the Caribbean, to Central South America, we're going to do one for the spice aisle, like Grenada, and and plenty of places in Central South America. So we're gonna do some stuff. We got cardamom, we got nutmeg, we got cinnamon. So yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so listen, we're gonna get right into it. And so like I said, it's gonna be very simple, easy ingredients. So first things first, first we're gonna turn on low heat. Okay, you don't want to boil this, you want to simmer this. You got to consistently stir this, okay? So we want to make sure that it doesn't burn, and we want to make sure that it comes out clean, all right? So first things first, I got 2 cups of half and half, okay? Then I have 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And of course, all sweetened condensed milk is milk and sugar. All right, there's really, when you look at the back of it, that's really the only thing that's consistent within this can. So not a whole lot of preservatives, okay? Just milk and sugar. We're keeping it simple. We're gonna get all of that out. That's gonna give it the creamer its sweetness, obviously. Let's see here. I think we got all of that. Alright. And then keep stirring that. And then last but not least, what I have in this bowl here, I have a half a teaspoon of cardamom, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have 10 whole cloves. Alright. Ooh, when you smell that, oh my God. We're gonna dump that in here as well. All right. And like I said, what we're doing is we're gonna keep this mixture moving, constantly stirring until it starts to simmer. Once those flavors and everything mesh together, then we'll turn the heat off. And then the last step before straining, we got some vanilla extract. We're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of that in here. And that is it. I mean, it's just that simple, all right? So I'm gonna let this go for a while. When I come back, let's put it all together, all right? All right, so now listen, those flavors are put together nicely, and I want you to smell how amazing this is. So now we're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of the vanilla. There we go. Stir that in. I gotta just kind of get an understanding of what this is gonna taste like. My coffee's gonna be amazing. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay. All right, so now I'm just gonna strain this over here in this bowl. We just wanna get any particles, any cloves, the actual cloves out of here, okay? Oh man, that's gonna be amazing. All right, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a mason jar or something, let it cool down and go in the fridge, and then I'm gonna make me a good cup of coffee, you know. And I don't know about you guys. I mean, I like all types of coffee, but this is one of my favorite though. Yeah. All right. All right, folks. So listen, I got it strained. I got it in my mason jar. Oh man, I'm telling you, it smells so good, and like I said, it's more natural, right? Yes, there's some sugar in here, right, because of the sweetened condensed milk. But you know, you've eliminated all those extra chemicals, and this is natural. And here's the thing: you can do so many variations of this cream. You can do your own bourbon caramel. You can do a cocoa flavor. You can do all kind of things, but as long as you keep that foundation. But I promise you though, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna pour this over here in my coffee now. Oh man, look at that. Let's see. Man, that's great. I don't need to add anything. That's a straight black coffee and this cream. I don't need to add anything else. That's perfect. All right, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please comment and let me know, for those of you who have done this before, those of you who want to try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. Try some other variations, let me know. Please like, subscribe to the page, let other people know. All right, you guys, man, have a good one.